Hello everybody, I just wanted to say, I know you're enjoying my stuff because I haven't been, around for a couple of months, and the videos are getting a fair amount of attention. So, I got new plans as well. I won't be just doing content in this room. I'll be doing a lot more content, not just boring stuff where I'm filming, but sort of cringy stuff and all that. So if you want me to do that, just just leave me a comment or something. I'll be happy enough to do that. So thank you very much for the support though, because I know myself I haven't been around for a couple of months on here. So it does really mean a lot to me. So yeah, thank you so much, and I can't wait. Woo! Hello everybody, welcome back to another entertainment zone. Today I'm going to be snorting some pepper, and I'm going to see what will happen to me, and how this bugger will react to the pepper I snort. So I'll be back in a hot minute. Welcome back. How'd you do? Yeah, as you can see right there, I got the pepper, and I'm gonna breathe it in. Oh dear. Okay, let's go. Really does burn your nostrils. Yeah, it does. Woo. Smells like curry. No. It's gone down there. It tastes quite good, No reaction yet. Maybe if I that's a bit mad, isn't it? No reaction. Yeah, it's coming on now. Okay. It's coming on now, the reaction. There we go. It's coming on now. Oh, is there any pepper on my nose? Jesus. It's not like anything before. God. Fucking hell. Jesus. Right now, whew, my nose is going through episodes of whether it wants to sort of, do what it wants to do. But to be honest, it seems quite irresistible or resistible to the pepper I just, sniffed. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed that video. Next time I'm going to be doing much worse than that. As time progresses, we're going to keep spicing things up. So, if you want to see more, well then just see more. But yeah. So I'm going to be doing some other mad stuff on here. If you want me to, And yeah, well, I'll see you, you know, soon. So next time be even more spiced up. So hope you enjoyed this video where I sniff pepper. And yeah, see you later. Love you lot, bye. And if any of you thought I'm snorting dirt, it's not. Look, it's what I was snorting. Black pepper. My whole face feels like the devil's den. Well, anyways. Yeah. Woo. Ah! Go. There. Ah, I thought it was coming along. I thought there was another one. Whew. Nah. Haha. That's funny.